lesson, we wish to demonstrate the use of the two consultants that appear at the bottom of the panel palette. Note that we have set a grid from -8 to 8 as you see here. Also, on page 7 of the points palette, we have set the function k to be x squared plus 1 for x in the closed interval from -2 to 2, and 7 minus 2x for x greater than 2 and less than or equal to 5. So, we do a line graph for this function, and then we exaggerate the endpoints to give us the graph that you see here. Now, the purpose of the left-hand side consultant is to study the limit of this function as x approaches 2 from the left. Therefore, we now place our consultant into position to perform this important task. To do this, we place the consultant onto the coordinate system. Then, with the Object Select tool, we select the consultant, usually by clicking his thick base. Then, you can tap the left and right arrow keys as you describe for your students how this consultant attempts to draw as closely as possible to the real number 2, but that he must never actually touch nor cross over to the other side of 2. Just watch for a moment as my assistant adds a horizontal line to help describe the values which our consultant receives as he steps on various numbers near 2. At this time, let us go back to the points palette and look at the actual values produced by k as we consider numbers that are closer and closer to 2, but definitely to the left of 2. My assistant looked at 1.5, then 1.8, then 1.9, then 1.99, then 1.9999, and finally 1.99999. Clearly, the left-hand side consultant feels strongly that if he could step on 2, he would be told that the value of k is 5. And that is why we say the limit of k as x approaches 2 from the left is 5. In a similar way, we can ask the right-hand side consultant to study the values of k as x tends towards 2, but this time, from strictly to the right of 2. Eventually, he too looks at actual values. He tries 2.5, then 2.2, then 2.1, then 2.001, then 2.00001. Finally, he tries 2.000001. And he is convinced that if he could step on 2 itself, he would be given the value 3. And that is why we say the limit of k as x approaches 2 from the right is 3. Since the left and right limits do not agree, we say that the two-sided limit of k as x approaches 2 does not exist. We hope this little exercise has made you aware of how the use of those consultants can be a very powerful tool for teaching. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in more videos. Bye-bye.